Hey guys, we've got a lot of work today, haven't we? This is all damp, and it's all coming from the terrace. The changes we made.
Oh!
Hi, it's 5:15 in the morning. I'm heading back to the Great House because this is the best time to cross that complicated area where traffic jams will start building up soon. So, I'm going to cross as quickly as possible, get through the area around the Great House and all the zones affected by the disaster. After that, I think I'll go buy a special tool to start working on the drainage holes in the terrace at the Great House. I'll also check the water situation, since there's no running water right now. Let's see what solution we can come up with. All right, perfect. We've got the demolition tool. Let's see how everything's going. I'm here now. Cleaning the house?
Yeah, going all out.
Perfect. Here come these two little rascals to greet me. How's it going, guys? We've got a lot of work today. And you, what are you planning to do, besides getting me all dirty? Goodness, there's going to be loads of work here. Because I just noticed that everything is damp. And it's all coming from the terrace. Look at that whole damp strip with mold. It's all coming from the terrace, and that's the first thing we need to fix. Absolute priority. Was there much fuss last night, with poop everywhere?
Better than yesterday, honestly. Yesterday was chaos.
Okay, family, let's go.
Yes, we go and repair.
Well, here we have E1.
Good?
Very good.
Very good?
Perfect.
Venga, Lucas.
I just realized something. The pipe is quite horizontal, so it might not be draining correctly, and that's probably why the water isn't going down. Unbelievable.
Perfect. Woo!
Perfetto, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Sollst die Flasche herhaben und ein bisschen draufdrücken, weißt du, dass du nicht voll kommst. Gut, Bene.
Yes, perfect.
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 Ja.
Just by lowering it a little, the water flows out.
Ya sale.
Ah, yes. That's if we hold hands, you see here, it's a polka trash heart.
Ah, beautiful.
It's going to fall. Martine's going to fall.
Ah, she can something, huh?
People say I don't do anything, guys.
Genau, dat is nulderwerk, dan gaan we nog genieten.
Ja,
Kom.
perfect.
I have the most important role. Health and safety. Just so you know, I'm not doing nothing, all right?
Okay.
Perfect.
Woo! Venga, va, the last.
Last one.
Bye, bye. Oh, ahí está.
There, that's the change we made. See? We swapped these small ones out for a bigger outlet. So we've gained a lot there.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect, thanks. This is everything we've removed, plus one more. All right, almost done. Not today, though. The sun's going down. But tomorrow, we'll put in the new white pipes. We'll glue them, put something over them, and then the tiles, so it's all set. Over here, we'll put a grid so any leaves that fall don't clog it up. And more importantly, so the cats don't escape. It's such a big space that it could be dangerous. Now we just need to cut this to size. And we'll cut all the pipes we have.
Oh!
We've got running water now, thank God.
Oh, qué gusto, ¿eh? Qué bien, Canelita. Qué bien, ¿eh? Ay, ay, ay. Qué bien,
Great news, eh, Marta?
Jolín. Oh, mira, mira, es que se le ve en la cara. Venga para adentro. Toda
Come on, let's
limpita,
get inside, all clean and dry.
Back to normal.
What a commotion.
Esto por aquí. A ver. Hola.
Hi everyone, always recording as usual.
It's a blessing to have internet.
Hola. 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 Vamos, chicos. ¡Eh!
Come on folks, we've got beds now.
Okay.
We've finished with the pipes. We've positioned them all. Now we just need to place the tiles. Though I think that'll have to wait for another day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for everything, everyone.
So the work continues. Rebuilding this is going to take some time, but we're going to get there. Many people have asked me, but what happened to the owner of the great house? Isn't he supposed to pay for it? Didn't he have insurance? The answer is yes, he's supposed to pay for it. And no, believe it or not, he didn't have insurance, which basically puts us in a position where we can either go and leave, up and leave, which is not possible at the moment, I'm afraid, with all the dogs, and no, we cannot do that. Or fix it ourselves and then slowly claim it back from him through the rent. I don't know, we're going to see how we do it. But the fact is that right now we have to fix this mess, and we know we can do it because we know we have this beautiful community and you're there. So guys, thank you very much for your help. Please, if you can, donate, help us rebuild the great house. That's it. We're working really hard. By the way, water came back today. Thanks a lot, and I will see you tomorrow.